Looking for the perfect mirror dash cam? You're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best mirror dash cams that make your drive smarter, safer, and seriously cool. Watch the entire list and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's dive in. Item number 5. Introducing the Axiom Dual Lens Car DVR with a large 9.66-inch IPS touchscreen. It records full HD 1080p video from both front and rear cameras at 30 frames per second. The front camera features a 170-degree wide-angle lens with an f1.8 aperture for clear day and night footage. Equipped with G-sensor, loop recording, motion detection, and night vision, it keeps your drive safe and recorded. Easily installed as a rear-view mirror, it supports up to 128 GB Class 10 memory cards for ample storage. Experience smart driving with crystal-clear video and reliable performance on every trip. Item number 4. Introducing the TOTNG C10 Dashcam, a smart 10-inch streaming rear-view mirror with full HD dual-lens recording. Both front and rear cameras capture crisp 1080p video, enhanced by wide 170-degree and 140-degree lenses and f2.0 aperture for clear day and night vision. Key features include G-sensor, motion detection, parking monitor, and loop recording. The IPS touch display delivers a smooth user experience, while wide dynamic range ensures vivid footage. With support for up to 256 GB memory and multiple OSD languages, the TOTNG C10 offers reliable, intelligent protection for every drive, all in one powerful package. Item number 3. Discover the EACE 1080p mirror dash camera, a smart dual-lens DVR with a 9.66-inch full-touch LCD screen. Capture crystal-clear footage at 1920 by 1080p and 30 FPS from both front and rear cameras, featuring wide 170-degree and 140-degree angles with f2.0 aperture for enhanced night vision. Built-in features include a G-sensor, loop recording, parking monitor, wide dynamic range, and picture-in-picture display. Waterproof, anti-fog, and anti-vibration design ensures reliability in any condition. With support for Class 10 micro SD cards and optional external GPS, this dashcam delivers complete driving protection, all packed into a sleek rear-view mirror system. Item number 2. Meet the OLED 4K mirror dashcam, powered by the Sony IMEC 15 sensor for ultra-clear 3840 by 2160 recording. With built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, voice control, and GPS support, it connects easily via the Vidor app. Key features include night vision, 3D noise reduction, parking monitor, and reversing assist. It supports up to 256 GB U3 high-speed memory and offers Apple Carplay and Android Auto compatibility. Smart, secure, and crystal clear, the OLED dashcam redefines modern driving. Item number 1. Meet the Axiom 4K Car DVR, your smart driving companion. With a 12-inch IPS touchscreen, it records ultra-clear 4K front and 1080p rear video at 30 FPS. Powered by a Sony sensor and HiSilicon chipset, it offers 170 degrees wide view, night vision, motion detection, and loop recording. Waterproof, anti-fog, and shock resistant, perfect for any weather. Easily installs on your rearview mirror and supports up to 128 GB micro SD cards. Stay safe and aware with the Axiom Car DVR. Which of these mirror dash cams is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.